Imagine watching a video of your favorite politician admitting a shocking secret, or a celebrity giving an outrageous interview you know they never did. What if you couldn't tell if it was real? That's the power and danger of deepfakes. These artificially created videos use artificial intelligence, AI, to make things appear real, even if they're completely fabricated. So, how exactly do they work? And what kind of impact are they having on the world? Let's dive into the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of deepfakes. What are deepfakes? Deepfakes are a type of synthetic media. That means they're artificially created content that looks and sounds real. They typically involve videos where someone's face is replaced with another person's face. But deepfakes can also be used to manipulate audio or even create entirely new images of people who don't even exist. How do deepfakes work? The magic behind deepfakes is a branch of AI called deep learning. Deep learning algorithms are trained on massive amounts of data, like photos and videos of a particular person. This data allows the algorithm to learn the unique characteristics of that person's face, voice, and even their mannerisms. Once trained, the algorithm can then use this information to create a realistic replica and superimpose it onto existing footage or generate entirely new content. There are different techniques used to create deepfakes, but a common one involves a type of AI called a generative adversarial network, GAN. Imagine two AI programs playing a game against each other. One program, the generator, tries to create realistic fake content, while the other program, the discriminator, tries to identify the fakes. As they compete, they both get better and better at their jobs. Eventually, the generator becomes so skilled that it can create deepfakes that are nearly impossible to detect. The rise of deepfakes. Deepfakes are a relatively new technology, but they've become increasingly sophisticated in recent years. This has made it easier for anyone with a computer and some technical knowledge to create deepfakes. There's even deepfake software available online that can be used with minimal technical expertise. The potential dangers of deepfakes. The ability to create such convincing fakes has raised a number of concerns. Here are some of the potential dangers of deepfakes. Misinformation and propaganda. Deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation and propaganda. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader making a false statement that sways public opinion. Damage to reputation. Deepfakes can be used to damage someone's reputation. A malicious actor could create a deepfake video of a celebrity doing something embarrassing or illegal. Cybercrime. Deepfakes could be used to commit cybercrime. For example, a deepfake video of a CEO could be used to trick someone into transferring money. Erosion of trust. The widespread use of deepfakes could erode trust in media and public figures. If we can't tell what's real and what's fake, how can we make informed decisions? The positive potential of deepfakes. Despite the dangers, deepfakes also have some potential positive applications. For example, they could be used in entertainment. Deepfakes could be used to create special effects in movies and TV shows, or to bring historical figures to life in documentaries. Education. Deepfakes could be used to create more engaging and interactive learning experiences. Imagine learning about history from a deepfake video of a historical figure. Fashion and design. Deepfakes could be used to virtually try on clothes or see how a new haircut would look on you. The future of deepfakes. The development of deepfakes is a race between those who want to create them and those who want to detect them. As deepfake technology continues to improve, so too will the ability to identify fakes. There are a number of companies and researchers working on developing tools to detect deepfakes. However, it's likely to be an ongoing battle, with deepfakes becoming more sophisticated and detection methods needing to constantly evolve. Deepfakes are here to stay. The technology is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay informed. By being critical consumers of information, supporting efforts to combat malicious deepfakes, and advocating for media literacy education, We can all play a role in ensuring that deepfakes don't erode trust and truth in our society. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.